Hi, so we're here car camping for the night. Lovely lighthouses here. Right, Benji, come here. Look at that for a view. Isn't it gorgeous? Lovely day. And we've got the cars over there somewhere, but we'll go back in a bit. Just enjoying a walk with the doggy just now. And I'll catch you in a bit. So we're on our exploring again. It's getting kind of to the end, so the sun's getting down now. But look at this private little beach. Knocking about. It's absolutely amazing. Benji getting the ball thrown as usual. So that's still the coastal path up there. I'm just walking over here now. I think that's St Andrews over there. Possibly. I don't know. Maybe not. Benji. So yeah. Kind of got the car half set up for sleeping now, and yeah. Once it gets dark, I'll go into the car, but while it stays light, we'll keep exploring. So I thought I'd show you a little video. So this is my bed area. And that's kind of all the other shit. Benji's in the front at the moment. And what a view I've got, haven't I? And then of course I've got a sunroof too, so that's pretty cool for watching the stars tonight. So yeah, I was just lying comfortable in the car. I'm going to start cooking dinner in a minute on the cap stove. And yeah, there's my sunroof. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So yeah, there's somebody a camper van there. So yeah, this is sort of the places I used to live when I stayed in the van. So I'm just doing it car camping style now. So yeah, I'll record some more later. Yeah, this is an alright shelter for the night, isn't it? Look at that. It is so cool. Benji's waiting there for me. Like the good wee boy he is. Yeah. So yeah, isn't it pretty cool? Thought I'd show that off to you.